Good morning, class. This is your English language class. Today we'll be starting a new chapter, that is chapter 39, Comprehension, which is given at page number 147. Now, what is a comprehension first of all? A comprehension is a passage or a set of paragraphs or single paragraph or bunch of paragraphs. For example, 2-3 paragraphs are given, then you have, and a particular story may also be given. After that, some questions will be asked to you related to that story or that paragraph, and you have to answer those questions. That is how you have to do comprehension. Okay, so let's start. For example, I am telling you first comprehension in the book, that is My Lifelong Dream. Title of the comprehension is My Lifelong Dream. Read the following story and answer the questions that follow. One story is given here and some questions are given at the back. You have to answer those questions after reading the comprehension. Clear? So let's start. It has been my lifelong dream to play in the middle school basketball team. See, the writer of this story is telling about his lifelong dream. His lifelong dream was to play in the middle school basketball team. I began playing basketball when I was in the 4th standard. My older brother taught me to play. He is 3 years older than I am. He practices with me every afternoon and always encourages me before a match. Now what this paragraph tells, that the writer is saying that he began playing basketball when he was in 4th class, and who taught him to play basketball? His older brother, that is elder brother, taught him to play how to play basketball, who is 3 years elder than him. He practices with him every afternoon and also every time he keeps on encouraging him before every match. This year I started 6th standard. The school basketball team selections were announced last month. Every day since the announcement, my brother has helped me prepare for the team tryouts. The selections were held last Saturday morning. 23 students from my class tried out for the team. The team has place for only 5 6th standard students. I know I worked as hard as I could to prepare for the selections. I felt like I had a good chance, but I was still nervous on Saturday night and Sunday morning waiting for the team list to be posted. Now what does this paragraph tells? That this year the writer started playing basketball when he was in the 6th standard, that is 6th class. The school basketball team selections were going to be held. Okay, last month the school basketball team selections were going to be held, and once the announcement was made for this, every day his brother used to prepare him for the tryout of the team. Okay, the selections were held last Saturday morning. Last Saturday morning the selections were held, in which 23 students participated, means 23 students tried. The team has placed, and the team had to select how many? Only 5 6th class students. Out of 23, only 5 were to be selected. Yes, he was confident. He said that I worked as hard as I could. He was confident that I have worked hard, that I could do to prepare for the selections. But yet he felt nervous on the Saturday night when on Sunday morning the results were to be out for the team. On Sunday afternoon, my parents took me to the school to see who had made it to the team. I was so happy when I saw my name on the list. It is so exciting to be a part of the team. On Sunday afternoon, he went along with his parents to see the results of the team. And he was so happy that his name was there in the list, and even he was exciting also for that. When we left the school, my parents said we should go out for pizza. It would just be a little family celebration in my honor. They called my brother and he met us at the restaurant. He walked in with a big smile on his face. He was really proud of me. My parents were very proud too. Although they warned me about not neglecting my studies and making sure I did all my homework every day. They do not need to worry about these things. I'll work very hard to stay on the team. Then, what happened when they left the school? His parents said that they should go out for a pizza party. It would just be a small family celebration in the honor of him being selected in the team. They called his brother also and he met them at the restaurant. His brother was really very happy and was feeling proud of him. Okay, and and his parents were very proud too. But they warned him about that he should not neglect his studies. He should pay attention on them also. Okay, they do not need to worry about these things, he said, and he will work very hard on the team. Now, next, what are the questions related to this? Complete the following sentences by choosing the correct alternative from the ones given below each sentence. First one is, this student is in the dash standard. Which standard he was? He was there in the 4th standard. So, 4th will be the answer. The first paragraph mainly discusses, in the first paragraph what has been described? Playing basketball, no? So, right there, playing basketball. Third one, the boy learned to play basketball dash in the 4th standard, in the 6th standard, in 2nd at the age of 2. In 6th standard. The word warned means, what is the meaning of warned? Warned means notified in advance. Now B part, which of the following best describes how the boy felt when he saw his name on the list? What did he feel when he saw his name on the list? He was very happy. So tick on happy. Which of the following is true? His father taught him to play basketball? No. So right there, false. He has played basketball since he was 2. He has played basketball since he was 2 means since he was 2 years old. No, that is also false. So right there, false. His older brother taught him to play basketball. Yes, we have read this in the story. So write it true. His brother took him to the school to check the team list. No, his parents took him. So write there, false. Now next we have, give synonyms of the following words. Lifelong dream. Right there in front of it, long held ambition. Next, encourage. Synonym will be inspire. Announcement. Its synonym will be declaration. Clear? This is how you have to do the comprehension. A paragraph or a story will be given based on which some questions will be asked to you and you have to answer those questions. Clear? Thank you, class.